Hey guys, so today I want to show you guys my Creality CR-10S. I printed this cool little boat with. It was pretty useless, but still pretty cool that I was able to 3D print this with. The bottom is black because I just colored it with a Sharpie so I could read that properly. Because it doesn't actually print very well. In fact, it doesn't even print anymore. Alright, so here it is, the Creality CR-10S. It came with a bunch of tools and tape and this little guy for scraping off the table there. So anyways, the things I've printed so far are, this thing is actually the most successful print that I've printed. This was one attempt of that, another attempt. And there was a couple other attempts, but I threw them away because they didn't even get to be this good. I don't know what this is. And this, I assume, is part of this, which I don't know what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like an upgrade or something. I don't know. So anyways, this thing is pretty much the best print I got out of it. And it's not bad. The top got a little bit messed up. It basically just stopped printing at like about this level, so it didn't finish it really. So yeah, it's not horrible. But the thing is after that, so before actually printing this, putting a little micro card into the machine, it seemed to not be able to read it anymore. So it comes with this cable here to connect to a laptop. So I connected it to a laptop, and then it was able to read again, and it printed that. So I thought, okay, well, not really sure what's going on with that, but still seems to work. So after this print, though, I went to print another thing. The nozzle in there will not heat up anymore. So I figured that it seems like a pretty simple solution. Is probably just the little heating thing for it is worn out. Although I only did like, I don't know, like 5 or 6 prints with it, so it shouldn't be. So as you can see with the wiring here that I've pulled it apart, I bought a few more of the heating elements for it, and I replaced that. So then I tried it again, and it still wouldn't heat it up. So first off, I took a heat gun and put it here to see if it would show on the screen that it was reading temperature, and it does. So I traced the problem back to being the motherboard inside here. I opened it up and I checked, everything is tight, so it should work, but it does not. So anyways, I contacted the company that I bought it from. They told them that the machine was broken. It wouldn't heat up the nozzle anymore, and it wouldn't print anything anymore. I basically only got one real successful print out of the machine. And I did not get a single reply out of them. So basically, the easiest way to put it is the machine is broken, it's junk, and now I'm stuck with it. So I highly do not recommend buying a Creality CR-10S or any of their products, because I forget how much I paid for this. It was not cheap, and now it's mine, and it's garbage. So I hope you enjoy this video and that you make a good decision when you're looking at buying one of these, and I'll see you guys later.